just opened the door on us.
Go on, fall back, fall back.
On June 11, 2024, a serious incident occurred when deputies Edward Walker and Corbin Smith received a call about a suspicious individual related to a family dispute at a mansion on Jacob Springs Avenue. When Deputy Corbin Smith, 25, and Deputy Edward Walker, 28, arrived at the scene at 3:19 p.m., the suspect emerged from the garage door.
We got him at gunpoint and ran back into the house.
The deputies lost sight of him briefly before he reappeared and engaged them with gunfire. The deputies quickly took cover behind their vehicle. Body camera footage from Deputy Walker showed he was shot in the leg about 4 minutes after arriving at the scene. About 3 minutes later, Smith was shot in the leg. He was seen on his body camera retrieving another tourniquet from Walker's uniform and applying it to his own leg.
Are
you ready to move?
Yeah. Where we going?
Can we move?
Traffic down the four corners. Hurt everybody on the highway.
Can we move?
A few minutes after being shot, Deputies Walker and Smith were informed by other responding deputies that they could evacuate the scene. The officers managed to rescue Deputy Smith and Deputy Walker while under fire from the suspect. The responding deputies returned fire, causing the suspect to retreat into the mansion. After receiving information that the suspect was threatening to shoot an elderly female victim inside the house, members of the sheriff's SWAT team entered the home and apprehended the suspect, Ronald Reed Millsaps, 59, shortly after 5 p.m., without further incident.
In our opinion, the TBI is working the scene, but it was probably between 150 and 300 rounds.
According to the sheriff's office, during the shootout, Millsaps fired between 100 and 300 rounds in the attack. Law enforcement officers are permitted to use force, including deadly force, where they have reasonable belief that it is necessary to protect themselves or others from immediate harm. Both deputies were injured in the incident and were immediately taken to the University of Tennessee Medical Center with non-life-threatening injuries and are currently in stable condition. Millsaps, who appeared in court for the first time on Monday afternoon, has been charged with 2 counts of attempted murder, aggravated kidnapping, aggravated domestic assault, reckless endangerment, and aggravated assault. He is being held on over $2 million bail. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of current events and legal issues. Stay informed and stay safe.